Hello guys, this is Ren from Xiamen So Good Auto Parts. Today I'm here to introduce this beam blade design with you. The model number is 820. This design can use both left-hand driver and right-hand driver. As we can see, this design has 14 adapters. It can be widely used for 99% American, European, and Asian vehicles. You can change adapters very easy, only need 2 seconds. First, we change a new adapter. Open this, and next, 1-2 seconds, and click in. Very easy, right? Next, we can see our rubber refill. We use Thailand imported natural rubber coated with Teflon. Can wipe quiet and clean, and it can attach your windshield very close and leave no gaps. And such perfect aerodynamic spoiler design has excellent wiping results even at high-speed driving. What points you care most when you choose a wiper blade? Tell me, let's discuss.